Engineer-to-order manufacturers are the backbone of custom and niche manufacturing segments. As an ETO manufacturer, you have in-depth knowledge and expertise to understand customer requirements and transform them into fully functional products from concept to delivery. As an ETO manufacturer, you strive to swiftly create and push quotations to your customers. Easily build unique sets of BOMs, routings, and item numbers. Create designs as per customer needs, and incorporate changes at each project phase without losing time and money. Track and control constant engineering changes. Procure high-quality materials at less cost, and ensure on-time delivery. Track and keep project costs in check. Ensure the best after-sales service for optimum customer satisfaction. You can swiftly perform these activities with powerful ERP software that has inbuilt capabilities to automate key ETO processes and streamline project workflows from start to finish. OmegaCube ERP has powerful functionalities that enable ETO manufacturers to meet their customers' demands quickly at lower costs. Let us show you how it's done. You can swiftly and easily create accurate quotations using OmegaCube ERP's inbuilt product configurator tool, based on your customer's unique product requirements and pricing options available in the tool. Once created, you can easily dispatch it to your customers from within the ERP. You can receive customer purchase orders and convert them into sales orders within OmegaCube ERP. In just a few clicks, you can set up progress billing under a particular sales order. Post this, you can set up a work order against the sales order. Our ERP allows the creation of a work order with no BOM and routing. It can be defaulted automatically using a routing template available in the ERP. Creating a project in OmegaCube ERP is easy and swift. All you have to do is assign a project number, fill in the relevant fields, enter the project tasks, and assign task IDs. You can easily edit tasks and make changes to task descriptions, task dates, and estimated number of hours. This project can be swiftly linked to the respective sales order. You can create BOM by directly importing it from a CAD file into OmegaCube ERP. The imported BOM becomes a master BOM, and is displayed as a hierarchical or flattened, multi-level structure within the ERP. You can modify this master BOM by adding a new BOM structure or removing an existing sub-BOM. Based on the master project BOM, a work order BOM can be generated. Any changes to the project BOM directly impacts the work order BOM as well, thereby streamlining the entire process. You can also place purchase orders for material procurement against the created work order. You can quickly receive goods and enter relevant details into the ERP using a mobile barcode scanner. The materials are then issued to the work order for further steps. Once the work orders are complete, the finished products are then shipped to the customer, and an invoice is generated within the ERP to be sent to the customer. For any post-sales service, a field service ticket is created within the system, and a service engineer is assigned to carry out the task. Service schedule, checklists, and inspection sheets are generated. Service engineers can access all service and customer-related info on their mobile applications. Customers can securely access their order-related information by logging into a customer portal within OmegaCube ERP. They can access order details, warranty information, shipping info, invoices, and more details under a single platform. OmegaCube ERP's advanced capabilities automate engineer-to-order manufacturing workflows, and makes it more profitable to run an ETO business. Contact us for an in-depth demo of OmegaCube ERP.